costume was made up of paper plates, disposable fork and spoon, straws, and sand, cardboards, plastic bags, plastic bottles, and old toys. The materials being presented are ways to promote the love and concern for the environment, designed and crafted by Jopay Purino. Candidate number 3, Mark Twain Compra. Last but not the least, candidate number 4, Stan Angelo B. He is wearing a future.
Next, let's all welcome our candidate number 19. Candidate number 19 is wearing a costume that is made out of paper plates, plastic bags, plastic spoon and fork, plastic bottles, straw, bottle caps, popsicle sticks, old cartons, CDs, old shoes, old toys, and cap of Coca-Cola. The costume was made and finally crafted by Jox Fury.
My name is Brian M. Ferdinand, 9 years old, representing 417 Santos.
The costume was made and finally crafted by Jopay Fury.
Hello, my name is Eunice Chimpy Catalios, 9 years old, representative for Arellano.
Next is our candidate number 25. Candidate number 25 is wearing a costume that is made up of. The costume was made by Joy Cal.